In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Asphalt 9 with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This will work if you have Asphalt 9 from Steam. As you can see, I downloaded, open up the game, and right now I have keyboard and mouse controls. All you have to do if you wish to play with a controller is to connect your controller to your PC using a USB cable or Bluetooth, or any other means that you have. As long as your controller is connected to your PC and properly detected, you will be able to control the entirety of the game using the controller. So as you can see, as soon as I press the button on my controller, I'm able to control everything inside of the game. As soon as these cutscenes are done, it will give me a rundown on how to use the controls, and I will be able to play through the entirety of the game with the controller connected on my PC. Like I said, you don't need any special tools as long as your controller is connected to your PC and you open up the game with the controller detected. It will be picked up automatically, the key bindings will be changed, and you will get the full extent of how to play using your controller. As you can see, it will give you all the instructions necessary in order to play the game, and you can do this as in any time with any brand controller that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Asphalt 9 with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.